Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make a delicious blueberry smoothie. This smoothie is made with walnuts and hemp seeds. Not only it will boost the nutrition, but it also makes the smoothie much more filling. So the first thing you want to do is add water to your blender. This will prevent the other ingredients from sticking at the sides of the blender. Then add blueberries. I'm using frozen blueberries, but you could also use fresh blueberries. Then add the hemp seeds. I like to add hemp seeds to my smoothies because they're a great source of protein. Then add walnuts. I'm adding about a handful. Then add lemon, which will help boost the flavors of the smoothie. I like to add a small lemon slice, but you could also use lemon juice. Next, we're going to add the coconut oil. I like to add about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to a tablespoon. The coconut oil will help make the smoothie more creamier and also filling. Lastly, I'll add protein powder. I'm using a vanilla flavored protein powder. In case you're wondering, this is the one I'm using. It's from Garden of Life. It's really delicious and I really like the flavor. Oh, and don't forget to add some vegetables. I usually like to add spinach or mixed greens. I usually add about 1 to 2 handfuls. Then you just want to blend up all the ingredients until it is all nice and creamy and smooth. And that is the recipe for making a delicious, super easy blueberry breakfast smoothie. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Enjoy!